we will see how to set the shape curve on the field. We have fixed this as the point of intersection and fixed the theodolite exactly above the point of intersection. We are using a digital theodolite in this case. The instrument is set exactly over the point of intersection. We have already calculated the tangent length, that is 26.79 meters. So first we will fix the point of curvature at a distance 26.79 meters from the point of intersection. The point is fixed. The distance of the point of intersection is 26.79 meters. So you can see the ranging rod, that is the starting point of the curve. Now the 26.79 meters. Now using the theodolite, we need to bisect the ranging rod kept at that point of curvature, and instrument need to be set to 0 angle.
You can see digital readings here. So directly you can get digital readings. So now I am focusing towards the first object and making this reading 0. So, to make this reading 0, first I will focus. So I have focused approximately towards the object and I have clamped. Sir, please show this. This is a horizontal screw. I have clamped it. So to make it still clear, and I have to focus the object very clearly. So I am operating once again. Here it is I have clamped this, and one more screw is here. That is tangential screw. Through this tangential screw, I am making the object very pakka or very properly aligned with the telescope. So now I am operating this. So it has come on the line proper. It is very much proper. So I have adjusted through tangential screw. So after focusing, after fixing the point, you have to make this reading 0. For that you can see here, display here. So now I am making double press this, so it will become 0. You can see the 0 reading here. So after making this, I am transiting the telescope. So you can see the transiting. So these things already explained in the previous class. And then once again losing this horizontal screw so that you can turn it now very easily. And when you turn it after you can see the circle towards the right of the telescope. Then this is called the face right. So now I am fixing the second point with the 30 degree that has been explained by Dr. Reshim Madam. The calculations, everything you already know it. So I am fixing towards the 30 degree. That is the second point. So 30 degree. Before fixing the point, I will adjust that 30 degree here only. That you can, sir, focus on this. So this is 30 degree. My horizontal thing I am fixing. So this screw I already tightened. To make it still proper 30 degree, you can see 30 degree 46 minutes and 25 seconds. To make it once again 30 degree properly, I am operating tangential screw. So now you can see that changing. So it has become 30 degree, and I have to make it 30 degrees, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Some finer tuning I have to do. So I think now only one 30 degree, 0 minute and 0.1 second, some 1 second error is there. It is not error, 1 second it is allowed. Okay. So now I am focusing. I am making, sir, right, left, yes, it is aligned.
we have fixed the point of intersection. We have also fixed the point of curvature and point of tangency. Now we need to start setting out of the curve. The instrument need to be shifted to the point of curvature. That's what we are going to do next. Temporary adjustment of the instrument at this point. First, the instrument legs need to be adjusted so that it is fixed firmly on the ground. Then the height of the legs need to be adjusted so that it is easy for you to take the reading. Then the leveling operation using the 3 foot screws. That's what sir is doing now.
Leveling is done, sir. So you can see the bubble in the center. Here also in the vertical, you can see that bubble at the center. Okay.
Now, the instrument need to be oriented towards the point of intersection with 0 horizontal angle. That is the first setup that is to be done here. Now the instrument is set at the point of curvature and it is oriented towards the point of intersection with the 0 angle. Now what you need to do here is, from PC, you need to measure the first deflection angle and locate the first point. And we have done this calculation. The first chord length is 6.79 meters and the deflection angle is 1 degree 56 minutes 40 seconds. So we need to set this angle in the theodolite and fix the direction first. Along that direction we need to measure 6.79 meters. That is what we are going to do now. So first we need to set 1 degree 56 minutes. Since this is a digital theodolite, we don't need to round off to 20 degrees. We can directly use 1 degree 56 minutes 42 seconds. 1 degree 56 minutes 42 seconds. 1 degree.
Yes.
6.79 meters and cut an arc. Then the ranging rod is moved along the arc in such a way that it can be bisected through the telescope. So that point is our first, this is the first point on the curve, that is the second point on the curve. We have identified the first chord along the curve. Next, this step has to be repeated to locate the second point. Deflection angle as 4 degree 48 minutes 36 seconds. Now instrument is at the same position. We need to set this 4 degree 48 minutes 36 seconds in the instrument and repeat the procedure. 4 degree 48 minutes 36 seconds. 10 meters. We have measured 10 meters from this point to the next point and cut an arc on the ground. Now the point need to be located at that 10 meter distance by seeing through the telescope. Second point is also fixed. Now further, the next value is 7 degree 40 minutes 29 seconds. Like all these values are set from the same point, and now the procedure is we need to set the third deflection angle, and from the second point we need to measure 10 meters and fix the third point. So we are going to set 7 degree 40 minutes 29 seconds, and along this direction we will measure 10 meters from the second point, and this process will be continued till we reach the last point. 10 degree 32 minutes 23 seconds. Again the chord length is 10 meters. So we have measured 10 meter length, and along the 10 meter distance the ranging rod is fixed, which can be bisected through the telescope at an angle 10 degree 32 minutes 23 seconds. So that Now we have set first subchord. 1, 2, 3 normal chords are over. One more normal chord we need to set. So the next chord length is 10 meters and the deflection angle is 13 degree, 24 minutes, 16 seconds. That is the last normal chord. After the 4 normal chords, there is a short distance which we will go there and see. That is the last subchord. Its length will be 5.570. It is already there. We are not setting it up. Now you can see the last point is last point just before the point of tangency. Now we need to verify whether our procedure is correct, which means that we need to measure the angle towards the point of tangency. It should be 15 degree. That is what we are going to check now. And show that it is 5.57. We will see the last subchord we have set and we are measuring the length of the last subchord. It's coming out to be 5.58. A small error of 1 centimeter has come, but it's more or less accurate. These are the points set along the curve. Last point on the curve, then second last, and you can see all this arrow till the point where the instrument is set. These are the points on the curve.